I've received many questions about these machines and the cleaning solution over the years that I've been reviewing these and creating tutorials. And the question is, can I use vinegar in it? Can I use bleach in it? Can I use a homemade cleaning solution inside my machine that you would then, mix up, put in the clean water tank, and then spray that onto your carpet, your fabric, or whatever you're cleaning? And really the short answer is no. You shouldn't be using other cleaners like vinegar, especially not bleach, and there's multiple reasons for it. So vinegar itself is acidic, so it can actually damage the internal parts of the machine because of the acidity, that nature of that. It can actually, break down some of the internal parts like rubber gaskets and cause damage over time, which will then impact the performance and how your machine functions. And then personally, while vinegar I think has its place in the cleaning world, it doesn't always do that great of a job when you're cleaning spots and stains on carpet and fabrics, in my experience and opinion. It does great for odor removal and other things, but as far as breaking down a stain like oil, body oils, grease, it doesn't have any surfactant properties, so it really doesn't do a good job cleaning things like that. So ultimately, I don't use it as a cleaner for carpets, but it does have its use case. So personally, I would not do vinegar or anything in the machine. Now, what you can do is spot clean or treat the area with your vinegar, with your bleach, if that's what you want to do, whatever other cleaner you want to use, spot treat that area, and then go back over later and clean it with your machine. So that is an option. Really what you want to be doing, and what all of these machines will tell you in the user manual, is to use their specific branded carpet cleaning solution that is made for this machine. Now personally, I have mixed and matched. So I have used, non-Bissell brand carpet cleaning solutions in my Bissell machine, and I haven't had any issue with it. But again, that product was made specifically for a portable spot carpet cleaner. Now, if I ever have an issue, I will be sure to share it on this channel. But so far, I've mixed and matched half a dozen different cleaning solutions in all of my different machines, and I haven't had any issue with it. Now, I'm not necessarily recommending that you do that. Do what you're comfortable with, and really the user manual will tell you to only use that branded cleaner in the machine. So just be aware of that. I do use these machines for professional reasons, like this is what I do for a living, so I'm testing these machines. If I break one, that's kind of a cost of doing business. Of course, I'll share it on the channel if I break one, but to me, it's more about exploration and experimenting and things like that to see what the capabilities of these machines are. So maybe I should try vinegar in it and see what the long-term impact of my machine is with the vinegar, knowing that it could hurt the machine. So hopefully that helps kind of clear that up. Now, one thing that I've kind of switched over to doing is using my cleaning solution concentrate in a spray bottle. So this is one of my favorite ones right now. It's Zep. It's a concentrate. You get this big gallon of it, and then you just dilute it in the spray bottle here, and this is going to last me such a long time. And it's easier to mix in the bottle, and then I can really control how much solution I'm using, So when you mix everything in your machine, you don't know how much you're actually going to use. And what I found is that I end up wasting quite a bit because I dilute everything in the clean water reservoir, I clean up a little spot, and then I'm left with a lot of this mixture that ends up needing to be dumped out because you don't want to let it sit in your machine long term because it's not made for that. So what I prefer to do is mix everything up in a spray bottle as far as my cleaning solution, spray that on the stains and spot treat everything, and then I just fill up my machine with water. So whether we're talking about, the Bissell Little Green Machine, the Bissell Little Green Mini, or other brands, I kind of am just doing this process for all of these, mixing everything separately and then using them more as a water sprayer and then extractor to suck everything up. I hope that was helpful and informative, and that gave you a little bit of clarity on whether you can or can't, what you should kind of be doing with these machines as far as cleaner is concerned. So again, vinegar, great for odor reduction, right? Now, when you first use it, it smells really strong, but afterwards it takes away and clears out odors better than a lot of other cleaners and things like that. But it doesn't do a great job because it doesn't have a detergent, it doesn't have a surfactant. So honestly, it really doesn't break down stains, oil, grease, and things like that. So I do have complete tutorials on how to use a lot of these machines. If you want to know more about the kind of workings of them, tutorial-based kind of things and testing them out, feel free to check out some other videos. My name is Drew. I hope that was helpful.